Medyo namimiss ko na yung mga kinakain ko usually sa dorm. Kain tayo ng sosilog, sausage, sinaing, at itlog. Yes. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano iluto yung sausage, kaya pati yung cellophane sinama ko sa prito. But, it's okay. Yes! Okay, kain tayo. Sarap ng itlog. Guys, ang sarap ng itlog, look. Ang sarap ng itlog. Ay, hulog. Kuha tayo ng the perfect bite. The perfect bite. Sarap. By the way, this is a Hungarian sausage, kaya ganyan siya. And I really love this. Sarap. Nakakamiss. Actually, dapat, cravings ko today actually is healthier kangkong. Pero, wala. So tayo nag-end up. Lunch ko to. And ano oras tayo magla-lunch? 3 p.m. Siyempre. Nasa bahay lang tayo eh. Wala tayong ginagawa. Palamangin lang tayo. Sarap. Sarap. Naalala ko lang bigla, since nakain ako sa kwarto, which is bawal, pero set up natin. Yung mga tito ko, yung mga kapatid ng mama ko dati, yung nandito sila sa bahay, bata pa ako noon. Pag nakain sila ganito, nakaganyan sila. Eh, hindi ako sanay sa gano'n, like, lagi ako nasa lamesa. So parang sabi ko, hala, ang cool! Sobrang cool naman nila, like, ganito sila kumain, nakaganyan sila, tapos, wala, parang ang astig-astig lang. So simula nun, tinatry ko siyang, parang pinractice ko siyang gawin. Tapos, ayun, hanggang sa nasanay na lang ako na ganito ako kumain. For some people, like kind of unetiquette, diba? Pero for me, kung saan ka masaya, kung saan ka nag-enjoy, kung saan ka nabubusog, dun ka. Pero syempre, depende sa context. If mag-isa ka lang, I think that's fine. Depende sa settings. Try natin mag-ASMR, okay? Hindi ko makuha. Sarap. Binuksan ko yung bintana. Nakapasok tuloy yung langaw. Pero sinara ko na ulit yung screen. Sarap.
Pakasarap talaga. Sobrang sarap.
A staple breakfast meal in the Philippines. So hey, if you're from America, if you're from Australia, Singapore, Africa, or some other parts of the world, you should try and come eat silog. Natatawa ako. In the Philippines, because it's really, really good. Some ASMR moment. May ako na ulit kayo kakausapin. Sobrang lasado ng itlog. Ito yung perfect na itlog para sa akin. Sobrang sarap ng gantong itlog. Sarap talaga ng itlog. I just love itlog so much. Lalo na yung medyo malasado. Yung medyo basa-basa pa. Sarap talaga. Pero this vlog is very like chill lang, kain-kain lang. It's not even a mukbang. No, gusto ko talaga magmukbang. Sabi ko nga, anything, any excuse for me to be eating, tatanggapin ko yan. Sana sponsoran ako ng mga fast foods or anyone na may mga food. Promise, kakainin ko talaga yan. Tikman ko talaga yan. Is this good? How would I rate it? Growing up, sobrang disciplined ako sa pagkain. Like how you sit, what you do, like you pray before you eat. You sit like this, you hold the spoon and fork like this. Like how graceful you should be eating. How you wait for others to finish their food first before you stand up. Those kind of things. Still ginagawa pa rin naman siya. But hindi na super often, like ngayon mas super na lang, like kakain sa upuan, kung saan. Basta hindi sa kwarto, but this is an excuse for me to be eating here kasi I'm vlogging and ito talaga yung favorite setup ko. I just love my room so much. Actually, plan ko talaga maggawa ko ng parang room tour. I'm just gonna be extra about it. I'm gonna explain why my background is orange right now and how this is lighter and this is darker blue. Like those sort of things, because I think in general the little things just have so much story. Like gets nyo ba? For example, you go inside someone's house, tapos yung small details ng, for example, may display sila dyan na figurines or vase or whatever. I feel like those sort of things have different stories to tell. So, yeah, I think every home is really special. Lalo na if parang it sort of describe their life. Ano daw? Basta. Kain muna ulit tayo. Big bite. Wag nyo lang i-zoom yan kasi may mga tinga-tinga pa ako dyan, pero ganun talaga. Parang mayroon akong new mantra. Eat good, look good, feel good. It's just that food is life. Like, hashtag food is life. It's so much like Instagram of 2019. Hashtag food is life. But it's true though. So I think dito ko natatapusin yung vlog natin for today. So thank you so much for being here, eating with me. Kahit ako lang yung kumain, no? But I hope kumain ka na. Kumain ka na, love.
Nagkaon ka na, love?
Yeah, kasi it's really important na yung may energy na yan. Because you need that energy, okay? You need to be strong. You need to fight. You need to live. You need to be happy. So, yeah. So, if hindi ka pa kumain ka na, okay? Uminom ng maraming tubig. Stay hydrated. Stay happy. And smiling. And wala na akong maisip. Basta, stay. Stay here after hours. Too much of an etiquettism. Kaya sobrang bastos sa pagkain. Tatapusin ko lang tong pagkain ko. Kukuha pa ako, bubulos pa ako. Yes, gutom pa ako. So, thank you so much for being here today. Again, please subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Bye!